What I'm going to attempt to do now is weld these nuts on for these bolts to make it easier to bolt it on and off. Here's the thing though, there's a gap and you can see them threads. So I'm hoping I do not weld the bolt in there. So what I'm probably going to try to do is I'm going to tack them all real heavy in the back where they're touching all the way, pull the bolt out, and then weld the nut fully.
And it's all I ever wanted to believe that peace could grow inside of you, in spite of me, humanity. I hope you're out there somewhere. I hope you're out there somewhere. All alone, I hear the
So the bolts and everything worked. So now we're gonna make it look good. I'm gonna cut this out, bend this in, and weld it to where it's a point. That's actually on that side, so the point will be facing forward, but it looks better than a square. But that's the last thing. Well, I have to weld it back together, of course.
save us from ourselves. Save us from ourselves.
Look through the eyes of humanity. I looked at myself.
So many things I hate in me.
So many things are so hard to believe. I can hear the whole world calling. I can hear the whole world calling me. All alone, I hear the angels scream. My name. My name. All alone, I hear the whole world calling. Save us from ourselves. Save us from ourselves. All alone, I hear the angels scream. My name.
Okay, this is what I'm calling the flip plate, and that's going to be to flip the front, where the tie rods go, backwards. So up here is where it's going to actually bolt to the rack, and I'm going to slice it and bend it, and then this has to be bent in like a U shape, almost, not a U shape, but just like a slight bend. And this is actually just a plate I need to go flat on the end for the tie rods to bolt to. I'm also going to add some gussets in here. I can't figure out which way I want to do it, this way or this way, and one in the center. I'm worried about crank pulley hitting. But I gotta cut this right now.
Used to be all I wanted you to see, all that I needed you to be. Does anyone care?
Does anyone care? Care about your fellow man? Does anyone care? Does anyone care about your fellow man? Can you understand? Can you understand about your fellow man? Are you pure enough to hear me out yet? Are you sure?
I think it's some rest now. That thing's worth its weight in gold. Plasma is so easy to use. So much better than the cutting wheel. Now I gotta knock all the slag off of that and get it ready. Somehow I gotta figure out how I'm gonna bend this. It's pretty thick. I don't have a press yet. I need one. Okay, so you've been seeing me doing a lot of cutting and grinding and welding, but I've never actually shown you what I'm doing. Well, it's done now. So, time for the big reveal. Alright, so here it is. That's the CTO rack with the foot plate I made. I cut the center of the foot plate out for more, for weight loss. It's very heavy before I cut that out. And I made the brackets that you guys saw. It's bolted on the flip plate. I was going to put gussets on the edges of the flip plate, but I tested it by flipping it on its edges and standing on it. I'm heavy and it held, so it's not going to have any up or down force on it. It's going to be left and right, which is, it's nowhere near going to bend on that. But that's that all done. Next thing I'm going to be working on is going to be a 93, I believe it is, S10, where I am going to be putting the probably a starter, maybe a fuel pump or a coil on, getting it running, ready to flip it, sell, make some money. I'm also going to be stripping a blazer and selling it for parts. But that's probably not going to be in a video. Thanks for watching anyway. Keep checking in. I usually do these every weekend. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.